One of the keys to managing a Salesforce org is to ensure that there's no bad or duplicate records inside your instance. Duplicate records can arise in accounts, contacts, or any other object, but tend to show up in the areas where you use Salesforce the most. In this instance, contacts and accounts tend to be the most frequent areas of duplicate and bad records. One thing you can do to identify these duplicate or bad records is use a list view to sort what you're looking for. If you're looking for an individual duplicate, you can use a list view and filter by name, phone number, email, or some other field to use as a unique identifier. Outside of that, if you're trying to identify multiple duplicates at one time, you can simply view all of your items and sort by clicking on a field. This way, you can quickly identify contacts with the same phone number, contacts with the same email, and contacts with the same name, simply by sorting your data. This can put you in a position to quickly identify opportunities to remove duplicate contacts or accounts where you may have multiple records cluttering your Salesforce instance. When looking at contacts specifically, you can also mark records as no longer with the company. By doing so, you will let support know and your administration know that the contact can be deleted or merged with another existing contact. If you wish to delete multiple contacts, accounts, or other records at one time, you most likely will not be able to do so with a standard Salesforce rep profile. Instead, you'll need to contact support with a list of duplicate or bad records that need to be deleted. To do so, fill out the Puff Record Cleanup spreadsheet attached to the user guide sent out with the Salesforce one-on-one newsletter. Using this spreadsheet, you can fill out a list of contacts, accounts, or other object records that need to be removed or merged together in Salesforce. When filling out this guide, you simply need to fill out the object, the record name, the record ID, and the actions that must be taken. To find the record ID of a record, you may do so in a couple of manners. The first manner is to pull the record ID directly from the URL, which is the last portion of the URL at the top of the screen. You may also find the record ID on the record itself. The record ID will be located in different places on different objects, but will always look the same on the URL. For reference of how it looks on the URL, please refer to this picture. All in all, maintaining good quality data inside your Salesforce instance is the key to maximizing the use of your contacts and taking advantage of prospects and customer opportunities.